Happy Halloween! Just kidding, it's not Halloween, and this is not a pumpkin. It is actually a carnival squash. So Jason decided to go to the grocery store and buy like 5 different types of squash, some of which I've never even seen before. So I am going to cook it the easiest way I know how to, which is just to pop it in the oven and let it roast. I will report back in just 40 minutes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What did you put on that?
Is it good? Good. Can you guess?
Is there cinnamon on there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good.